IELTS Academic Writing Task 1. As promised, we are with the new graph, that is writing a diagram. As I already have told you that we will write 4 paragraphs if there are 2 pictures, 2 tables, or 2 things to compare with each other. But if there is a single picture or a single graph, we won't write the 4th paragraph, or we would conclude it into 3 paragraphs. Let's see what's given in this question. So there are 2 paragraphs, 2 pictures of the city, that is the old one and the new one. And the first paragraph will be the same, paraphrased by the statement given in the paper. So the statement is on the top. We will summarize it. Then in the second paragraph, we will express the first city plan that was in 1965. And in the third paragraph, we will compare the modern style or modern plan with the old one. And in the fourth paragraph, we will conclude it. So let's summarize the statement. So the 2 given pictures show the layout of an area in a city in 1965 and 2018, and also show some changes planned for 2018. It can be seen that the area around the river has been developed a lot over the given period, and development is expected to continue in the coming years. Anyhow, now in the first paragraph is the same. Second paragraph, we will explain the first picture that was in 1965. So in 1965, there was River Thames flowing from north to south, with the branch flowing from the west to the east. And between this branch and the main river in the northwest, some trees were there, whereas in the southeast, a city was there. A few houses were there in the northeast, whereas the southeast area was totally barren. So this was the explanation of the old plan. Now in this third paragraph, we will compare the modern plan with the previous one. Let's proceed. Now a car park has replaced the trees on the northeast, and the number of houses has increased on the northeast. One bridge has been made on the river towards the north of the tributary, and one footbridge has been made towards the south of the tributary. 2 car parks, one amidst the houses and the other on the southeast of the river, have been projected for 2018. So this was the comparison between the modern plan and the previous or the last plan in 1965. Now we will conclude it. Usually the conclusion will be in a single or 2, maybe 1 or 2 or maximum 3 sentences. So the overall, or you may say the summing up, the area has seen a lot of development over the past 50 years, and more changes are proposed for the future. I hope you are clear now, and you can write the graphs or the plans if there are 2 or a single one accordingly. Thank you. See you with the next graph writing or table writing. Goodbye.